Hi everyone, it's Anushka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn about HTML, all about HTML. We are going to learn about what is HTML, why do we need HTML, and how you can create a web page right now using HTML with just the basic things. So first let us go ahead and learn about HTML, the basic, or what is HTML, what does it stand for. So here I have a notepad with me, open. So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So HTML is a markup language, and why do we need it, or why do how does it help us? It helps us to create web pages. Alright. So now you must be thinking HTML is a markup language and not a coding language. And what is the difference between markup language and coding language? So, markup languages are used to structure and format text and other content on a web page. And so, what is a markup language? A markup language is a language wherein each and everything has to do with a web page, where each and everything is related to the structure and format and the formation of text. Alright, whereas programming languages, using them, you can create software applications and operating system. So using programming languages or coding language, here you can write programming, you can create apps and applications, whereas in markup languages you cannot do that, right? So now let us learn to create a web page of your own on with using HTML. So for that you just have to go on your start button and type notepad. You just have to have notepad on your device. That's what you need for making a web page using HTML. And the first thing that you should write is HTML. This is the starting word of your code, and it should be written in angular brackets like this. Inside it you should write HTML. Then the second thing which you should write in any web page is again angular bracket and head. Okay, so what do you mean by head? The basic or the first thing that should be reflected in your web page, that should be written inside the head tag. And what is these called? The thing which we write in angular brackets in HTML is known as a tag. So I can say that HTML is a tag and head is also a tag, right? And then after head, again in angular brackets, you should write title. Alright. So this is how you start a code. Okay. So what is title? Title is the title of your web page. Like here, this is the web page that I've made. So this is going to be your title, which reflects what your web page is all about. So this is what a title is. So let's name our title. So you have to write title and then you have to name your title. So I'm just gonna write HTML web page. Okay, so you have titled your web page. So you have started your title tag, right? So in order to close it, you should again type a angular bracket, give it a slash and write title. So this is how you close a tag, using this slash right here, the front slash. Alright, so now we have titled our web page, we have opened the title, we have closed our title. And if you don't close your title, your title won't be shown in your web page just because you didn't close it. Alright, so this is all about title. So after title, the work of our head is also done. So we are going to close our head as well, like this. So after closing head, the body part starts. What do you mean by body part? Each and everything which is written here in the web page is known as body. Alright, so this was our head, the title was our head, and this is our body. So now let us start coding for our body part. So just like we have opened our body tag, we are going to do the same and write body in angular brackets. And then you can write anything now our body has started. So let us write, hi, my name is Anushka. So the sentence which I've written here, hi, my name is Anushka, will be shown, will be shown over here. Alright. So, hi, my name is Anushka. This is what I've written. Then, my body part is done. I just have to write a sentence in my body part. Then I'm going to close my body part like this. And then I'm going to close HTML. And if you don't close HTML, your code won't work. So this is the basic HTML code that we have done. Okay. So now let us write a sentence again. I am a nice girl. Let's just write this sentence. So we have written 2 sentences. And now what you have to do is, from file you have to save as your notepad. So HTML files. So let us save this. Okay, so whenever you save your HTML file, you should always give .html, not txt. .txt is for your notepad, whereas .html is for your HTML. Okay, and if you forget to write this .html, if you go with .txt, then you will be able to, see your web page in a notepad file. Okay, your web page won't be visible, it will be in notepad format. So .html, now you have to save it. And now let us open this. So as you can see here that we have done with our web page. This is how you make a web page in HTML. This is the title which we gave to our web page in notepad. This is the body part. Now as you can see that there is no space, right? Here there is no space between these 2 sentences. So if I want to write this sentence in another line, I would have to use another tag. What is this tag known as? This tag is known as BR, break. So I'm going to write break here. So after I write break, I will save my HTML file, and when I refresh it, you'll be able to see that both my sentences are in different line. If I want to give more space to these 2 sentences, I can just Control C it, and I can start to add this break tag for a lot of times, and then when I refresh it, you'll be able to see that there is a lot of space between both my sentences because I used a lot of breaks. Okay, so this is how you add spaces to your sentences in HTML in web page. So this was all about HTML. I hope that you liked this video a lot. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and also press the bell icon so that you'll get each and every video notification, and do not forget to share it with your friends. It's all about it. Thank you